Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. So right now, I'm going to present my presentation. Title is Mangrove Fauna Biodiversity as an Indicator of Ecosystem Health in the Coastal Area of Pulau Santen, Banyuwangi. My name is Pradityana Putra Pratama. I'm from Faculty of Engineering, Department of Environmental Engineering, University of Muhammadiyah, Jember. This study examines the biodiversity of mangrove fauna at Pulau Santen Beach, Banyuwangi, and their role as a bioindicator of ecosystem health. A descriptive, qualitative method was applied through field observation, interviews, and literature studies. These main fauna species were identified, indicating that the mangrove ecosystem remains relatively healthy. Environmental factor and human activities influence fauna diversity. Therefore, conservation effort and the implementation of sustainable ecotourism are essential to maintain ecological balance in coastal areas. Uh, for the test, command objective to identify the biodiversity of mangrove fauna at Pulau Santen Beach, Banyuwangi, and analysis their role as a bioindicator of ecosystem health standards. For main activities, point 1, conducted field observation, interviews, and documentation to identify mangrove fauna like crabs, shrimp, mudskippers, and hermit crabs. For point 2, assess habitat, condition, and environmental factors affecting ecosystem health. For point 3, carried out community discussion and awareness campaign to promote mangrove conservation. For the last one, from task, e-learning. Environmental research requires a combination of scientific knowledge, social empathy, and sustainable collective action to preserve coastal ecosystem. For action, point 1, actively engage in both social and environmental learning within the Banyuwangi coastal community, not only as a researcher but also as an agent of change. For point 2, face real challenges such as household waste pollution and unmanaged tourism at Pulau Santen Beach. Point 3, applied a participatory and collaborative approach by involving local residents like fishermen and shell collector to understand ecological change in the mangrove area. For point 4, conducted environmental education for visitor and local people, emphasizing the importance of mangrove conservation and the role of fauna as ecosystem health indicator. Point 5, took direct action by cleaning plastic waste and marking mangrove zone in need of rehabilitation. Point 6, learned that meaningful change begins with small action that combine scientific knowledge, empathy, and awareness, showing that protection mangrove is both a scientific and moral responsibility for a sustainable future. For the result, the study at Pulau Santen mangrove ecosystem revealed a moderate level of biodiversity. Shock signs of environmental stress were observed. Identified species included crabs, mudskipper, shrimps, and hermit crabs, displaying an ecological role in maintaining habitat balance. The biodiversity index showed that the area remains productive but is declining due to human pressure, particularly pollution and land conservation. Zones farther from waste sources had higher fauna abundance, while the presence of sensitive species like mudskipper indicate good environmental quality. Despite some degradation, local communities demonstrated awareness and participation in conservation through ecotourism and mangrove replanting. Overall, mangrove fauna proved effective as a bioindicators for assessing ecosystem health and emphasized the need for sustainable management. Thank you everyone. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.